Starting out as a new product owner, usually starting out as a new product owner in a Scrum team can be challenging, especially if you are from a Waterfall background or any other background. It's natural to make some assumptions and develop certain perceptions that lead to mistakes, potentially causing some disruption within the team. However, don't worry. This is a common experience. Even I have faced the difficulties. I have made mistakes. It's natural. The key is to maintain an open mind, learn from your mistakes, and adopt. While Scrum is designed to help teams and deliver value efficiently, deviating from its principles can impede progress and frustrate team members. So you have to avoid making mistakes as much as possible. Here are the typical top 5 mistakes or don'ts you have to follow. Do not overload daily Scrum meeting. Number 1. New POs might think discussing everything in the daily Scrum call is efficient, but that's wrong. However, this meeting is meant to be brief, focusing on team synchronization, sharing progress, and identifying obstacles to achieve the sprint goal. Overloading it with detailed discussions can hinder its effectiveness. Instead, schedule a separate meeting for in-depth discussions and ensure you understand the purpose and rules of Scrum events before joining a team. Number 2. Don't expect complete clarity too early. Clarity of requirements, etc. Its requirements always evolve. So, unlike the waterfall methodology where requirements are fully documented upfront, right? So Scrum is iterative and collaborative. New POs should embrace this uncertainty and work with stakeholders and the team to iteratively develop and refine the requirements, leading to adaptable and responsive development. Number 3. Don't forget to break down backlog items properly. Inexperience might lead new POs to work on large backlog items, increasing complexity and impeding the incremental value delivery. Breaking down these items into smaller, manageable tasks is critical. Collaborate with the team and the stakeholders to decompose large items, ensuring they fit within a single sprint. This approach helps maintain focus on delivering incremental value. Number 4. Don't disrespect sprint goals. A common mistake is rushing to finish tasks to impress stakeholders or clean up the backlog, which leads to carrying over unfinished work to the next sprint, or it will become a complete mess after that. Instead, prioritize completing the sprint goal and avoid imposing unrealistic deadlines on the team. Engage with stakeholders to understand business critically and prioritize accordingly. Aim for a potentially shippable product or aim for a potentially shippable product increment by the end of every sprint. The last one is, don't misunderstand the Scrum Master's role. Some new POs mistakenly rely too heavily on the Scrum Master, thinking that they are the managers responsible for task allocation and even decision making. That's not true. Scrum Masters are facilitators who ensure Agile principles are followed and they remove impediments to the progress of the project. So, as a PO, you should understand their role and take ownership of your tasks and responsibilities. Encourage team members to do the same, fostering a self-organizing team focused on delivering value, not just completing tasks. Agile is all about delivering value.